Hey students, I hope you're having a good day. Sit comfortably and enjoy the lesson. Today we are continuing with our topic in question, punctuation marks. We are still on the uses. The last time we met, we looked at the uses of comma. Here we are today, we are looking at the uses of apostrophe. What then is an apostrophe? It is used to show a letter or letters has been omitted from contraction. What does it mean? All that you are saying here is that apostrophe as a punctuation sign is used to omit or to forgo some of the words when you do contraction. Let's look at some of the examples. In the first example, I can't. Now you see there's a small apostrophe at the top, then the T follows. That is called the contraction. It means the full word was not written. We have omitted some of the words. That is the meaning of contraction. So we use the apostrophe sign to do that. And so in the brackets, we have the full word written as cannot. Isn't, meaning it's not. Am also means I am. I hope the explanation is clear. Well, let's continue. It is also used to show possession. When we say possession, we talk of the ownership, the one who owns that particular thing, or the one who has that particular thing in his or her possession. That is what it means, possession. Singular nouns take apostrophe and S, and plural nouns take or that end in S have only apostrophe. What this means is that if you have a singular noun, you bring the apostrophe after the noun, then the S follows to show a possession. But if the noun is also ending in S or is a plural noun, you bring the apostrophe after the noun. That's the difference we are talking about here. Now let's look at the sentence below. Kofi's chair is not in the room. Now you see Kofi, after the noun Kofi, apostrophe is put and then the S follows to show that Kofi is the real owner of the chair. Now let's look at the second sentence. The students' files are 20 in number. Now the students is plural and the apostrophe is put after the S. You see the difference? So each of them is used to show a possession. It is also used for, we use apostrophe and S for plural nouns that do not end in S. All that we are saying is that there are plural nouns which do not end in S, and we can also use the apostrophe sign for it to show a possession or to show ownership. And after you put the apostrophe, S will also follow. The children's toys are in the big box. So the children is a plural noun. That one, there's no S attached to it. But because we want to show a possession, we put the apostrophe after the children, then S follows to show that those toys in question belong to the children. I hope it is clear. The second sentence, the women's coal pots have been stolen. And the women too is a plural noun, which does not end in S or does not end with S. And so after the women, we have we have the apostrophe with the S to show the owner of the coal pots. Is it clear? Now all that you are saying here is that with apostrophe, we are saying that it is used to show a possession and also used to omit words from contraction, as I said earlier. If there is no question to all that I have said in line with apostrophe, we'll end here and have a short exercise on the Ziba learning zone. Thank you.